Dear 11th class students, in this video I am going to solve remaining questions from exercise 2.2. You see question number 7, given relation r equal x cube सच दैट x संख्या 10 से कम एक अभाज्य संख्या है को रोस्टर रूप में लिखिए। दिस इज एक्सरसाइज 2.2 क्वेश्चन नंबर 7। Here given relation R equal x cube such that x is a prime number who is less than 10. Here value of x will be 2, 3, 5, 7 prime number less than 10 is equal to 2, 3, 5, 7 since 1 is not a prime number, so we start here from 2 and then 3, 5, 7. Since 8 and 9 are not a prime number, so we may write here numbers 2, 3, 5, 7. So on giving values 2, 3, 5, 7 2x we get when x equal to then we get x cube equal 2 cube is equal to 8, so we may write 2 is related to 8, 2 is related to 8 and this we may write as ordered pair 2, 8 is belongs to relation R. When x equal 3, we get x cube equal 3 cube, who will be equal to 27. So we may write 3 is related to 27. 3 is related to 27, and this we may write as ordered pair 327 is belongs to R. When x equal 5, then we get x cube equal 5 cube is equal to 125, and so we may write 5 is related to 125. 5 is related to 125, and this we may write as ordered pair 5 125 belongs to R. And in last, when x equals 7, then we get x cube equals 7 cube is equal to 7 7 ja 49, 7 ja 343. We may write here 7 is related to 343, and this we may write as also ordered pair 7 343 belongs to R. Now we may write relation R in roster form. In roster form, we may write R equal 28 327, next 5 125, seven 343. This is the roster form of given relation R. And here writing me given relation R in roster form, so this is answer. But if we want to find domain of R and range of R, then we may write easily domain R equal set of first elements of ordered pairs. So we may write here 2 3 5 7, and range are equal the set of all second elements of ordered pairs who are here 8 27 125 343. This is domain of R and this is range of R. Next, given here other important questions. and here given first question, who is multiple choice questions. मान लीजिए कि Na इक्वल m एंड Nb इक्वल n, तो A से B में परिभाषित किए जा सकने वाले अरिक्त संबंधों की कुल संख्या होगी. हियर गिवन 4 ऑप्शन. ऑप्शन A इज m पावर n, ऑप्शन B इज n पावर m माइनस 1, ऑप्शन C इज mn minus 1, and option D 2 power mn minus 1. Question number 1, and this is objective question. Here given Na equal m and Nb equal n. Means given here number of element in set A equal m and number of element in set B equal n. So we may write total number of elements in set A cross B will be equal to m into n. Since you know that already, if number of element in set A equal m and number of element in set B equal n, then total number of elements in set A cross B, who is the Cartesian product of set A and B, will be equal to number of element in set A multiply number of element in set B. We get total number of subsets of set A cross B will be equal to 2 power mn. Since you know that also, if any set A has n element, then total number of subsets of set A be the 2 power n. So here we may write total number of subsets of set A cross B is equal to 2 power mn. Since each subsets of A cross B be the relation from set A to set B, so we may write total number of relations from set A to set B is equal to 2 power mn. But phi, who is the null set, be the subsets of each sets. So here we may write total number of relations total number of, since here finding total number of non-empty relations, total number of non-empty relations will be equal to 2 power mn minus 1. Understand this, since phi is the subset of A cross B, so phi be the also relation from set A to set B, but phi is called empty relation from set A to set B. But here finding total number of non-empty relations means ऐसे रिलेशन की टोटल संख्या फाइंड करनी है जो इम्पटी ना हो, तो इसके लिए वही एक सबसेट जो फाई है उसे माइनस कर देते हैं टोटल नंबर ऑफ रिलेशंस में से, तो हमें टोटल नंबर ऑफ नॉन एम्प्टी रिलेशंस फाइंड हो जाता है, हु इज 2 power mn minus 1. So here option D, option D, 2 power mn minus 1 is correct. Next, question number 2. If A equal 1 2 and B equal 1 2 3, then A क्रॉस B के कार्तीय गुणनफल में अवयवों की संख्या है। 4 ऑप्शन गिवन है यहाँ भी। बच्चों, हियर set A has 2 elements and set B has 3 elements. So total number of elements in set A cross B, who is the Cartesian product of A and B, will be equal to 2 into 3 equal 6. So here option C will be correct. You solve this question yourself. Next, question number 3. If A equal AB and B equal CD, तो A से B में भिन्न भिन्न संबंधों की कुल संख्या फाइंड करनी है। Since here set A has 2 elements and set B has also 2 elements, so total number of elements in set A cross B will be equal to 2 into 2 equal 4. So total number of subsets of set A cross B equal 2 power 4 equal 16. So here total number of different relations is equal to 2 power 4 equal 16. बच्चों, इस प्रकार के क्वेश्चन बहुत ही सिंपल होते हैं। यदि डिफिनीशन एंड प्रॉपर्टीज आपको लर्न हैं तो बहुत ही आसानी से ऐसे क्वेश्चन सॉल्व हो सकते हैं। जैसे देखिए, मैं ओरल इस क्वेश्चन को सॉल्व किया, यहाँ आंसर 16 होगा। क्वेश्चन नंबर 4, यदि a = 2, 3, 4 तथा r का तात्पर्य है विभाजित से, तब r को फाइंड करना है। नाउ सी क्वेश्चन नंबर 4। गिवन सेट a = 2, 3, 4 and r is defined by r = ab, this is question number 4. Here given set a = 2, 3, 4 and r is defined by AB such that B is divisible by A. B is by A and A belongs to A and B is also belongs to A. AB belongs to A. Here we find ordered pair who follow this relation. Since 2 is divisible by 2 and 4 is divisible by 2, 3 is divisible by 3, 4 is divisible by 4. So we may write directly R in roster form 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 2, 4। बच्चों यहाँ गिवन है इफ बी ए से विभाजित होता है तब ए का बी से रिलेशन है। तो हम ऐसे ऑर्डर्ड पेयर यहाँ फाइंड करते हैं जिनमें सेकेंड एलिमेंट फर्स्ट एलिमेंट से डिविजिबल हो। यू सी हियर 2 is divisible by 2, so 2 is related to 2. Similarly 3 is related to 3, 4 is related to 4 and 2 is also related to 4 and this is R in roster form. Here finding R, so this is answer. But if we want domain and range of this relation, we may write easily domain R. ये मैं एक्स्ट्रा कर रहा हूँ इसके लिए कि आप सभी को डोमेन और रेंज फाइंड करना अच्छी तरीके से समझ में आ जाए। डोमेन R is equal to the set of all first elements of ordered pairs. Here we write first element, all first element who are 2, 3, 4 and range are equal 2, 3, 4. The set of all second elements all second component will be range R. So we may write here elements 2, 3, 4. बच्चों, क्योंकि सेट में कोई भी एलिमेंट रिपीट नहीं करते हैं, इसलिए यहाँ 4 लिख चुके हैं, तो अब ये 4 नहीं लिखना है, ये ध्यान रखना होगा। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 5, रिलेशन R इक्वल 1 2 1 3 2 3 3 4 का डोमेन तथा परिसर फाइंड करना है। यू फाइंड डोमेन एंड रेंज फ्रॉम दिस क्वेश्चन योरसेल्फ। क्वेश्चन नंबर 6, यदि पूर्णांकों के समुच्चय Z में एक संबंध R इस प्रकार परिभाषित है कि A is related to B if and only if A वर्ग है B का, तो बताइए निम्नलिखित में से कौन सा कथन गलत है। You see here option number 1, 4 is related to 2. Here given 4 is related to 2. Since here first element who is 4 is the square of 2. So in 4 and 2 given definition of relation is satisfied, so this option first is correct. यहाँ हमें कौन सा गलत है, ऑप्शन इनकरेक्ट है, उसे बताना है। 16 रिलेटेड -4, सिंस 16 is the square of -4, so by the given definition 16 is related to -4, so this option is also correct. Option number 3, 9 related to 3, since 9 is the square of 3, so here given definition of relation is satisfied, so this option is also correct. In last you see option number 4, -9 related to 3, since -9 is not a square of 3, so here given definition of relation is not satisfied, so this option will be incorrect. You solve this question yourself as I tell you. क्वेश्चन नंबर 7, प्राकृतिक संख्याओं के समुच्चय n से n में संबंध व्यक्त किए गए हैं, उनको नियम विधि से लिखिए। मीन्स उस डिफिनीशन को लिखना है जो यहाँ ये गिवन रिलेशन में फॉलो होती है। मीन्स ये गिवन रिलेशन को सेट बिल्डर फॉर्म में लिखना है। सी दिस क्वेश्चन 7, I write given relation R1 equal 1 1 2 4 3 9 4 16 and so on. क्वेश्चन को एक बार और समझिए। प्राकृतिक संख्याओं के समुच्चय n से n में निम्नलिखित संबंध व्यक्त किए गए हैं। ये जो रिलेशन गिवन हैं R1 एंड R2 नेचुरल नंबर n से n में गिवन हैं। मीन्स all first elements of ordered pairs belongs to n and second elements also belongs to n. So you see here 1 is the square of 1 or 1 means second component of ordered pair is the square of first component. See here, second component is 4 and 4 is square of 2, and here 9 is also square of 3. Here 16 is the square of 4. So we may write R1 as set builder form we may write R1 equal xy such that y is the square of x, means second component of ordered pairs is the square of first component of ordered pairs. Y is the square of x, and since this given relation R1 from n to n, so x and y both are belongs to n. X, y belongs to natural number n. This is the set builder form of given relation R1, and this is first part. Second, given relation R2 equal, this given relation R2 is given in roster form as 1 3 2 4 3 5 4 6. You are seeing here second component of ordered pairs is greater 2 than first component of ordered pairs. See here, 3 is greater 2 than 1. Here 4 is greater 2 than 2. Here 5 is greater 2 than 3. And here 6 is also greater 2 than 4. So we may write R2 as set builder form R2 equal xy such that y equal x plus 2, y equal x plus 2 means second component of ordered pairs is greater 2 than first component, and x, y both are belongs to capital N. This is the set builder form of given relation R2. This is answer. Question number 8. यदि R equal x, y such that x plus y equal 5. बच्चों क्वेश्चन को ध्यान से सुनिए और क्या फाइंड करना है, क्या गिवन है, ये अच्छे तरीके से समझिए, तभी सॉल्यूशन समझ में आएगा, अदरवाइज समझ नहीं पाएंगे। गिवन क्वेश्चन नंबर 8, R is defined as x, y such that x plus y equal 5, x plus y equal 5 means first component of ordered pairs and second component of ordered pairs को यदि ऐड करें तो 5 फाइंड होना चाहिए, तब x का y से रिलेशन होगा, अदरवाइज x इज नॉट रिलेटेड टू y। एंड प्राकृतिक संख्याओं के समुच्चयन में एक संबंध को दिया गया है। यहाँ निम्नलिखित में से कौन से क्रमिक युग्म R के अवयव हैं? हियर गिवन ऑर्डर्ड पेयर 1 2 2 3 4 1 3 4 3 2। बच्चों, which ordered pairs sum of both element will be 5, that ordered pair belongs to given relation R. See here, since 1 plus 2 equal 3, who is not equal to 5, so 1 is not related to 2. We may write 1 is not related to 2, and this we may write as ordered pair 1 2 is not belongs to given relation R, means this ordered pair is not element of given relation R. Next, since 2 plus 3 equal 5, here since 2 plus 3 equal 5, so given definition x plus y equal 5 here satisfied, so we may write 2 is related to 3, and this we may write as 2 3 belongs to R. since 4 plus 1 equal 5, so we may write here 4 is related to 1, and this we may write as ordered pair 4 1 belongs to R. Since 3 plus 4 equals 7 is not equal to 5, so we may write 3 is not related to 4, and this we may write as ordered pair 3 4 is not belongs to R. In last, given 3 2, since 3 plus 2 equal 5, so we may write 3 is related to 2, and this we may write as ordered pair 3 2 belongs to R. So we found here ordered pair 2 3 4 1 3 2 are the elements of given relation R. So ordered pair 2 3 4 1 and 3 2 are elements of given relation R. This is answer. Next, question number 9. Given here relation R equal x y. R equal x y such that x equal 3y, x y belongs to n, x y both are belongs to n, who are less than number 6. Here values of x and y should be less than 6. So values of x and y should be 1 2 3 4 5. So on giving values 1 2 3 4 5 to y, we get when y equal 1, then x means first component of ordered pairs, three y means 3 into 1 equal 3. So since 1 and 3 both are less than 6, so here we may write 3 is related to 1. 3 is related to 1. Next, if y equal to, then x equal 3 into 2 equals 6, but 6 is not less than 6. 6 is the equal to 6, but here given x and y both are less than 6, then x is related to y. So 6 is not related to 2. 6 is not related to 2. Means ordered pair 6 2 is not belongs to R. Similarly, if y equal 3, then x equal 3 into 3 equal 9, and 9 is also not less than 6. So 9 is not related to 3. And next, if y equal 4, then x equal 3 into 4, we get 12, and 12 is not less than 6. Similarly, if y equal 5, then y equal 3 into 5 equal 15. So 15 is not related to 5. So we may write given are in roster form 3 1. This we may write as 3 1 belongs to R. Here in R only one element, or we may say that only one ordered pair will be in relation R. 3 1. So we may write of this relation domain R will be equal to first elements of ordered pairs, the set of first elements of ordered pairs. Since here only one ordered pair, so here domain R equal 3 and range R equal the set of all second elements of ordered pairs. So we may write here 1. This is answer. Question number 10. यदि a equal 1 2 3 4 5 and R equal x y such that x y belongs to A and x greater to y equal 3. यहाँ यदि x 2 से ग्रेटर होगा और y 3 होगा तभी रिलेशन R होगा, अदरवाइज रिलेशन R नहीं होगा. You see this question first part. Given set A equal 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and R is defined by x, y such that x greater to y equal 3 and x, y both are elements of A. तो संबंध R का डोमेन और रेंज फाइंड करना है. Here since given x greater to, when x is greater than 2, then x will be related to y. So we may write here R in roster form बच्चों किसी भी रिलेशन का डोमेन एंड रेंज फाइंड करने के लिए सबसे पहले गिवन रिलेशन को रोस्टर फॉर्म में लिख लो. एज आई एम राइटिंग हियर 3 x greater 2, here given x greater 2, so we let x equal 3, then y 3, x equal 4, y 3, here y equal 3 given, so x के जो भी वैल्यू 2 से ग्रेटर है उसका 3 से रिलेशन है. 5 is related 3 and so we may find domain R equal the set of all first elements of ordered pairs who are here 3, 4, 5 and range are equal the set of all second elements of ordered pairs in relation R who are 3, only 3. This is answer. Second part, if A equal 1, 2, 3, 6, A equal 1, 2, 3, 6 and B equal 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, B equal 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and relation R is defined as xy such that x belongs to A, y belongs to B, means x is the element of A and y is the element of B and x is less y. और इस गिवन रिलेशन का डोमेन एंड रेंज फाइंड करना है। डोमेन और रेंज फाइंड करने के लिए हम सबसे पहले इस गिवन रिलेशन को रोस्टर फॉर्म में लिखते हैं। रोस्टर फॉर्म में लिखने के लिए हमें वह ऑर्डर्ड पेयर्स फाइंड करने हैं जिनमें रिलेशन आर है। रिलेशन आर तब होगा जबकि x इज द एलिमेंट ऑफ ए, y इज द एलिमेंट ऑफ b एंड x इज लेस देन y। Here since 1 is less than 2, since 1 is less than 2 and 1 is belongs to set A and 2 is belongs to set B, so we may write 1 is related to 2 and this we may write as 1 2 belongs to relation R. 1 is less than 3, so 1 is related to 3 and this we may write as ordered pair 1 3 belongs to R. Similarly, 1 is less than 4 and 1 is the element of set A and 4 is the element of set B, then we may write 1 is related to 4 and this we may write as 1 4 is belongs to relation R and 1 is less than 5. Since 1 is less than 5, so we may write 1 is related to 5 and this we may write as ordered pair 1 5 belongs to R. Since 2 is less than 3, 2 is less than 3, so 2 is also related to 3, so 2 3 belongs to R. Next, 2 is less than 4, 2 is less than 4, so we may write 2 is related to 4 and this we may write as 2 4 is belongs to R. Next, 2 is also less than 5, we may write 2 is related to 5 and this we may write as 2 5 belongs to R. Similarly, you are seeing here 3 is less than 4. See here, since 3 is less than 4, so we may write 3 is related to 4 and this we may write as 3 4 ordered pair 3 4 is belongs to R is the elements of relation R. 3 is less than 5, then we may say here 3 is related to 5, ordered pair 3 5 belongs to R. and you are seeing here no element of set A remain here who is less than elements of set B. Since here given 4 5 but here not given 4, so now we may write this relation R. We may write given relation R in roster form. As R equal write first order pair 1 2 1 3 1 4 1 5 2 3 2 4 2 5 and 3 4 and last 3 5. This is the roster form of given relation R, and since here finding domain and range, so we may write easily domain R equal the set of all first elements of ordered pairs, but elements should not be repeated 1 2 3 and range R equal the set of all second elements of ordered pairs who are here 2 3 4 5 2 3 4 5. Here again 3 4 5 4. So we write here elements 2 3 4 5 who is the range of relation R. This is answer. Question number 11. If A equal 1 2 3 4 and B equal 5 7 8 11 15, I write given set A equal 1 2 3 4 and set B equal 5 7 8 11 15 8 11 15 and R is defined R is defined as xy such that y equal 2x plus 3, y equal 2x plus 3 and x belongs to A, y belongs to B. Here finding roster form of given relation R and domain and range of given R. Here x is related to y if y means second component of ordered pairs is equal to 2 into first component plus 3 and x is the element of A and y is the element of B. Here x equal 1, 2, 3, 4 on giving values 1, 2, 3, 4, 2x, we get when x equal 1, then y equal 2x plus 3, 2 into 1 plus 3 equal 5. So, since you are seeing here x equal 1 who is the elements of set A and 5 is the elements of set B, so we may write here 1 is related to 5, 1 is related to 5 and this we may write as ordered pair 1, 5 is the elements of given relation R. When x equal to, we get y equal 2 into 2 plus 3, 2 into 2 plus 3 equals 7. So, we may write 2 is related to 7, 2 is related to 7. This we may write as ordered pair to 7 belongs to relation R. When x equal 3, gives out y equal 2 into 3 plus 3, 2 into 3 plus 3 is equal to 9, but 9 is not belongs to set B. So 3 is not related to 9. So we may write 3 is not related to 9 and this we may write as ordered pair 3, 9 is not elements of set R, relation R. When x equal 4, then we get y equal 2 into 4 plus 3 equal 11, and you are seeing here 11 is the element of set B, so we may write 4 is related to 11. 4 is related to 11, and this we may write as ordered pair 4, 11 is belongs to relation R. अब ऐसे कोई भी एलिमेंट सेट ए के नहीं हैं जिनका सेट बी के एलिमेंट से रिलेशन हो, मीन्स ऐसे कोई भी एलिमेंट नहीं हैं ए में जिसमें 2 से मल्टीप्लाई करके 3 ऐड करें तो जो एलिमेंट मिले वो सेट बी में हो, and so we may write relation R, so relation R in roster form. Is equal to 1 5 2 7 4 11. This is the roster form of given relation R, and domain are equal the set of all first elements of ordered pairs in relation R who are here 1 to 4, and range R equal the set of all second elements of ordered pairs in relation R who are 5 7 11. This is answer. Question number 12. If A equal -1 1 2 3 -3 and B equal 5 7 8 11 15 तथा A से B में संबंधार इस प्रकार परिभाषित है कि x y belongs to R when x belongs to A, y belongs to B and y is equal to मॉड्यूलस x, तब संबंधार को क्रमित युग्मों की सहायता से लिखना है तथा R इनवर्स फाइंड करना है. R इनवर्स मीन्स इनवर्स रिलेशन. गिवन सेट A इक्वल -1 1 2 3 -3 and set B equal 1 2 3 5 and relation R is defined as x y belongs to R if and only if x belongs to A, y belongs to B. R is equal to x y such that y equal मॉड्यूलस x x y x belongs to A and Y belongs to B। बच्चों यहाँ x का y से रिलेशन होगा, मीन्स x is related to y if y is equal to modulus x and x is the element of set A and y is the element of set B. So if x equal -1, then y equal modulus -1 is equal to 1. So -1 is related to 1. So on giving values -1, 1, 2, 3, -3, 2x, we get when x equal -1, then we get y equal modulus -1 equal 1 and 1 is the element of set B and -1 is the element of set A. So we may write -1 is related to 1, -1 is related to 1, and this we may write as ordered pair -1, 1 belongs to relation R. When x equal 1, then we get y equal modulus 1 equal 1. So we may write here 1 is related to 1, 1 is related to 1, and this we may write as ordered pair 1, 1 belongs to R. When x equal 2, then we get y equal modulus 2 equal to, and 2 is the elements of set A and set B. So we may write 2 is related to 2. This we may write as 2, 2 belongs to R. And when x equal 3, then we get y equal modulus 3 equal 3. You are seeing here 3 is present both set A and B. So we may write 3 is related to 3, and this we may write as ordered pair 3, 3 belongs to R. When x equal -3, gives out y equal modulus -3 equal 3. Since -3 is the elements of set A and 3 is the element of set B, so we may write -3 is related to 3. This we may write as ordered pair -3, 3 is belongs to R. and so we may write relation R in roster form as R equal -1 1 1 2 2 3 3 -3 3. Here finding R and R inverse. बच्चों ये समझिए, if R is the relation x to y, then R inverse will be relation from y to x. मीन्स ऑर्डर्ड पेयर का जो सेकेंड एलिमेंट है उसका फर्स्ट एलिमेंट से जो रिलेशन होगा वो आर इनवर्स होगा और इनवर्स रिलेशन कहा जाएगा. सो बी में राइट आर इनवर्स इक्वल आर का जो सेकेंड एलिमेंट है आर का जो सेकेंड कंपोनेंट है वो आर इनवर्स का फर्स्ट कंपोनेंट होगा और जो आर का फर्स्ट कंपोनेंट है वो आर इनवर्स का सेकेंड कंपोनेंट होगा. सो बी में राइट आर इनवर्स वेरी इजली 1 -1 1 1 2 2 3 3 3 -3. This is the inverse relation of given relation R. This is answer. If you want to find domain and range of R and R inverse, you can find easily domain and range of R and R inverse. You write all first elements of ordered pairs in domain R and write all second elements of ordered pairs in range R. Similarly, in R inverse, domain will be equal to the set of all first elements of ordered pairs of R inverse, and range will be equal to the second elements of ordered pairs of R inverse. So you can find domain and range of R and R inverse easily. Question number 13. यदि a equal 1 2 3 4 5 so on 20 and b equal 1 2 3 so on 10, तो निम्नलिखित संबंधों के डोमेन तथा रेंज फाइंड करने हैं. given set A equal 1 2 3 4 5 and so on 20, and set B equal 1 2 3 so on 10, and given here in first part R is defined by x, y such that x belongs to A, y belongs to B, and y equal 3x. Here we can find ordered pairs who follow this relation R on giving values 1 2 3 4 so on 20 2x, we get when x equal 1 gives out y equal 3x, means y equal 3 into 1 equal 3, and you are seeing here 1 is the element of A and 3 is the element of set B. So we may say here 1 is related to 3, 1 is related to 3, and this we may write as ordered pair 1 3 belongs to relation R. When x equal to, then y equal 3 into 2 equal 6, and here 2 is the elements of set A and 6 is the element of set B. So we may write here 2 is related to 6. This we may write as ordered pair 2 6 is belongs to R. When x equal 3, we get y equal 3 into 3 equal 9, and see here 3 is the element of set A and 9 is the element of set B. So we may say here 3 is related to 9, and this we may write as ordered pair 3 9 belongs to R. Now you see, if x equal 4, then y equal 3 into 4 will be equal to 12, but 12 is not element of set B, so 4 is not related to 12. Similarly, if x equal 5, then y equal 3 into 5 15, but 15 is also not present in set B, so 5 will not be relate to 15, and if 6 x equals 6, then y equal 3 into 6 equal 18, and 18 is also not present in set B. So 6 will not be related to 16, and so we may write given relation R, we may write given relation R in roster form as 1 3 2 6 3 9, and so we get domain of relation R equal the set of all first elements of ordered pairs who are 1 2 3, and range R equal the set of all second components of ordered pairs in relation R who are here 3 6 9. This will be answer. Next, given second part, R is defined as xy such that x belongs to A, y belongs to B, and y equal minus x plus 3. Second part, R is defined by x, y such that x belongs to A, y belongs to B, and y equal minus x plus 3. We may write given relation R in roster form directly. R in roster form if x equal 1, then y equal minus 1 plus 3, who will be equal to 2, and 2 is present in set B, so 1 is related to 2, 1 2, and x equal 2, then y equal minus 2 plus 3, who will be 1, so 2 is related to 1. And when x equal 3, then y will be minus 3 plus 3 is equal to 0, but 0 is not present in set B, so 3 is not related to 0. If x equal 4, then we get y negative, but negative numbers not present in set B, so R in roster form will be this, and so we may write domain R equal the set of all first elements of ordered pairs who are here 1, 2, and range R equal the set of all ordered pairs, the set of all second components of ordered pairs in relation R who are here 2, 1, 2, 1. This will be answer. And given third part of this question, R equal x, y is such that x belongs to A, y belongs to B, and y equal 2x plus 1. Here x is related to y if x is the element of set A and y is the element of set B, and y is equal to 2x plus 1. We may write this R as roster form. If x equal 1, then y equal 2 into 1 plus 1 equal 3, who is present in set B. So 1 is related to 3. X equal 2, then y equal 2 into 2 plus 1, who will be equal to 5, and 5 is also present in set B. So 2 is related to 5. So we write here ordered pair 2, 5. If x equal 3, then y equal 2 into 3 plus 1 will be equal to 7, and 7 is also present in set B. So 3 is related to 7. So we may write here ordered pair 3, 7. Next, if x equal 4, then y equal 4 into 2 plus 1, who will be equal to 9, and 9 is also present in set B. So 4 is related to 9. Next, if x equal 5, then y equal 2 into 5 plus 1 equal 11, but 11 is not present in set B, so 5 is not related to 11, and so on. If x equal 6, then y equal 13, 13 is also not present in set B. So 6 is not related to 13. If x equals 7, then we find 2 into 7 plus 1, 15, but 15 is also not present in set B. So 7 is not related to 15. So this is the roster form of given relation R, and so we may write easily domain R equal the set of all first elements of ordered pairs in relation R who are here 1, 2, 3, 4 and range are equal. The set of all second elements of ordered pairs in relation are, who are here, 3, 5, 7, 9. This will be answer. That's all in this video. All the best.